What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's Liddy like titties today, boy. And it's your boy Randy the Handyman. Subscribe and drop that like. So one of my friends actually, he inspired me to get this YouTube channel. Aaron, he convinced me into it. I don't know. At first it didn't sound like a good idea, but at the same time, I'm always riding and recording, and I never post anywhere. So I'm just gonna give it to y'all. Some of my info, I've been riding for 4 years. I ride street, park, and dirt. My favorite would have to be street. That's just where I grew up. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. Now I'm repping the 813. Hit me up, Tampa. But anyway, so today I'll be doing a bike review. I'm gonna show like basically everything on my bike. If you have any questions, just drop comments. I mean, I'll start with this, and then eventually, you know, I'll post videos and then make edits. It's a process, bro. Like, I gotta see y'all want to see it. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it for myself, but at the same time, I want people to admire me for it. Makes sense. Anyway, here we go to the YouTube channel. We're going to. Here's the sexy beast. You already know. We're gonna start out with the frame, premium gutter shark. Shadow forks, I don't remember what they are. Stranger hub, Vans Colt tires, Sunday stem, fit bars, rant sealed bearings, mob cranks, United pedals. It's your metal, they'll rip your legs up. Be ready. Shadow Conspiracy guarded sprocket, profile integrated mid BB bearings. I don't know what my pegs are. I just, you know, I don't care about that. Random seat, I don't give a crap about that. We got a profile, not elite, but Z coaster. We got the profile Z coaster, guarded sprocket. You already know how it is. If you have any questions, just let me know. Oh yeah, shadow grips. Yep, overall, she's a beater, but can't ride it right now. I ate shit the other day on something dumb. Probably shouldn't have been doing it, but you know, we all learn. So yeah, this will be the end of my video. Y'all like, subscribe, and hit me up.